Okay, so got Lynn's little 250. I put a aftermarket carb on her. Wasn't quite the same. I had to modify the bracket. This is turned a little bit more this way than this way on the old one, but I had to modify a couple little things. But I got it on there. It wouldn't rev up at all before. It just barely run. Now I hate this thing. It's got so many. It's got a little exhaust too. But keep the idle a little high. I've messed with it, but I haven't driven it. We go out there for a ride. Or it wouldn't even rev up. This thing wouldn't go nowhere. Just a little too quick. Hey, what's up, Brian? I'm riding. I got a broken thumb. Broken at the beef pipe in Dura. Wasn't even during the race. The race is over. Yeah, it does okay. A little 250. I got 50 miles an hour. She's a learner. Running. We'll be alright with it. A little chilly out today. Probably about 30. Supposed to get up to like 40 tomorrow. No snow forecast. I could ride a sled with a broken thumb, but I haven't been able to ride sleds or nothing. I'm fine with it. Yeah. There you go, Lynn. Filled the tires up. I'm gonna check the oil, see if we need to change the oil. But should have it ready for you here. See ya.